after downloading, you're going to find this specific program. So this is an application, and once you run it, you will find this zip formats or these zip files. So for my case, I might have more zip files because I already downloaded and installed Primavera some time back. But after installing or after downloading these zip files, the next thing that we usually do is just to extract. So you can just simply select these folders that you have in zip format, click on extract all, specify the location that you want to save it. So I'll just simply click on extract, and the extraction process will start just like that. And this is simply how it's going to look like. So this is only for the first one, and you can do for the rest. So this was this one here. I'll select this one and do the same for the rest as well, so that you can just be able to find all the documents and all the files that you require to use this specific software. So it's just a matter of a few seconds. Just simply select, click on extract, and just like that, it's gonna be done. So these are the zip files. You do not need them any longer. You can just simply select them like this, then just simply click on delete key on your keyboard and they will be deleted. And inside each and every single folder, we have different items. So for this specific folder where we have 902-01, we have the P6 setup, and this is another zip format. So you'll just simply select this, click on extract all, and it's going to be extracted in this specific folder. And just like that, you can see that we have the setup. So for your case, if you do not have P6 installed, you're just gonna simply double click on this and the installation process is gonna start. But for my case, because I already have the Primavera P6 Professional 24 already installed, I will have this option. So I can either opt to change, to repair, or to remove it using this setup. So for my case, I'll just simply click on cancel, but the installation process is very seamless. You just simply click on continue and it's gonna install. Just simply use the typical installation and it's gonna be okay. So I want to cancel, click on yes, click on okay. So just like that. So this is for the setup. That will be sufficient. So I can just simply go back. So for the next folder, this is a API integration in the event that I'm using any integration. But for now, we're not integrating this. We tend to use it when using EPPM. But for now, I'll just simply keep it simple. We are focusing on PPM. The third and most important thing is about the database. For we need to configure our database on how the P6 is going to connect. So you just simply double click to open this file area. And this is simply how the database looks like. But the good thing about P6, when you do the normal installation, it automatically takes you to the database. So for our case, because we have not used that step, that's why we can just simply come to this specific folder and get to the database. So I can just simply double click. So this is a BAT file. So it will just run this in the background, where I can either install a new database or upgrade an existing database, select the server type. So if you're using Oracle SQL Server, you can just simply select the one that you want, or SQL, depends with the way you pronounce it. So you can just simply click on next. You can input the name that you have in your specific server, and then you're gonna have it. But having installed P6, let me show you the simplest way on how we can simply set up our database. So the last folder is just simply documentation, where you learn all about P6, let's say how to get training, support, so on and so forth. But the best thing about this specific playlist, you're going to learn all about P6 and all that you need to understand. So for now, I'll just simply click on close from here, and then we can jump into P6 immediately.